Hey, how's it going? Jeff here, and in this video today, this is going to be for Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're a beginner who's looking to get into affiliate marketing and you're interested in being an Amazon affiliate, then this video is going to be for you. So what I'm going to do in the next couple of minutes is I'm going to hop over to the computer and I'm going to give you some helpful tips and show you everything that you need to know about the Amazon affiliate program, right? Because I remember what it was like when I very first started with affiliate marketing. I didn't have the resources that are available now. And so what I want to do is I want to help anybody who's just starting out, who's interested in making money online, to start with the Amazon affiliate program, because it's so powerful and there's so much money to be made for the beginner that it's a great place to start, right? It's the perfect place to start for every beginner. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to hop over to the computer. We're going to go through the entire Amazon affiliate program. I'm going to give you some tips to get started with the Amazon affiliate program. And if you hang around until the end, I'm going to give you my free 4-step training that's going to help you to make your first $1,000 in your first 30 days. With the Amazon affiliate program, right? So you'll be able to get access to that in the link in the description of this video. So all you have to do is click on that link. With that being said, let's hop on over to the computer. Let's go through this Amazon affiliate program and let's see what it's all about so that you can get started today with your own Amazon affiliate business. Sound exciting? Let's go. All right. We are here on the computer, and what I'm going to be doing is walking you through the Amazon affiliate program and explaining to you exactly how it works so that you'll know if Amazon affiliate marketing is for you or not, right? So one of the things that I really love about Amazon is the way that they market, right? All your job is as an affiliate is to get people to go over to the Amazon website and purchase a product that you're promoting, right? So as you're probably well familiar, Amazon has all of these different categories, right? So what these categories are in the marketing world, in the affiliate marketing world, these categories are called niches, right? So, for example, beauty and health would be a niche. Food and grocery would be a niche. Home, garden, and tools would be a niche, right? So what you would do is you would select a niche that you want to market products from, right? So let's say that it's electronics, for example, and we'll go with video games, right? All right, so let's say that you want to make money, you want to have your own video game affiliate marketing site. So what does that exactly mean? All right, so you've already decided that your niche is going to be video games. Now over here on the left, you can see an even further breakdown of the video game category, right? So you've got PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Xbox 360, Nintendo Switch, Wii U, all that good stuff, right? Over here on the left that's broken down. So maybe you decide to go even further and say, hey, you know what? I'm only going to have a PlayStation 4 video games affiliate site. So then you drill it down even further, right? All right. So what you would do is you would create an Amazon affiliate website or store based on this niche that you've chosen, right? PlayStation 4. So on that site and in that store, what you would have is PlayStation 4 games, you would have consoles, accessories. These would be your categories, right? So that is how your store would be set up, right? And I'll show you an example here in just a minute of a couple of different stores so that you get a better idea of what I'm talking about here, right? But what would happen is, let's say you're promoting PlayStation 4 games. Someone comes to your site from the search engine. Let's say they're searching for uh, Crash Bandicoot, right? Crash Bandicoot. Let's see if I can get this here. All right, it's going to bring the picture with me, it looks like. All right, but either way, let's see here. PS4 review, right? Somebody's looking for a review of this Crash Bandicoot game. they type it in the search engine, and then they go over to your site. Now, I have no clue whose site this is, but this is an example, right? So they find you in the search engines, they go to your Amazon affiliate site, right? And then there you have a review. Right now, this can be a text only review, it can be a video only review, or it can be a mix of text and video. For this one, it looks like they've chosen only text and pictures for the review, right? So someone may come over here, read this review, and then see that there is a link to click on to go over to Amazon. Now, in this case, I don't see any Amazon affiliate links or anything like that, but let's just imagine for a minute that there are Amazon affiliate links in here that go over to Amazon and allow someone to purchase the game. That is exactly how the Amazon affiliate program works, right? So this would be an example of getting search traffic from the search engine, right? Now another way that somebody um, might find you is on YouTube, right? So you might decide that you want to do a YouTube review, and so someone might do the same thing: Crash Bandicoot uh, PS4 review, right? And then the same thing with YouTube as in Google is they're going to come over here, watch your video, and you can see there is an insane amount of traffic for these types of keywords, right? So 1 week ago, over a 500,000 views, right? 1 week ago, 120,000 views, right? 20,000 views. I mean, just an insane amount of traffic, right? And so, what you'll be able to do is you could put a link to your store from YouTube, and then when people go to your store, they click on the Crash Bandicoot game and they purchase it from Amazon. You can also put your Amazon affiliate link straight into the description box of your video, right? So, as you can see, this is something that requires a little bit of work. It's not something that's as easy as people might like to say that it is all the time. But the few hours of work that you put in up front will reward you for a very long time. So you need to understand that this does require work, but it's very, very rewarding, right? So how do you join the Amazon affiliate program? So it's free to sign up with the Amazon affiliate program. All you need, the most important thing you need is a domain name and a site setup, right? So all you need to do is join the Amazon affiliate program, and then you build your store, build your Amazon affiliate site, and you start getting traffic over to that store and to your site, and then you earn a commission from every product that's purchased. Like I said, that is one of my favorite things about Amazon is let's say someone buys this game here, right? Let's say someone wants to purchase this game, all right, but then they go down through here and they say these items were frequently bought together. So now, if someone decides, okay, well, I want all three of these games, these are pretty cool, right? Then you just turned a $40 sale into a $114 sale, and you get commission off of every single item that they buy. So they may come over here and buy a new headset, more new games. You never know what they're going to buy, right? Amazon does a really, really good job of advertising additional products to these people, right? All right, so you know what you need to know about the Amazon affiliate program is that you might promote one product. Let's say you promote just this game, but everything that someone adds to their cart and buys, you're going to get a commission for, right? So that's super powerful, and you may be turned off by 10% commissions or 8% commissions or whatever it is that they're going to pay you for certain items, but it all adds up in a big way, getting commissions on everything that someone puts into their cart, right? So super powerful platform. It's as simple as finding a niche that you want to promote products in, building a store. Let me show you what one of the stores looks like, right? All right, so let's take a look at a store that you can build. This is an example of one of the stores that you can build in under 10 minutes, full of products in your niche that are highly relevant that people are buying right now, right? So you can have different categories, like I was showing you: women's clothing, men's clothing, handbags, and this is just an example of a fashion store. Like I said, you can promote anything on the Amazon website and easily have it in your store with your affiliate ID coded to that product, right? So when you sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, you're going to get an affiliate ID. Now, what you'll do with that affiliate ID is you'll use it to build links. So let's say I wanted to build a link to this one right here. I can go over and say I want a text link. Boom, there's my link, right? But by building a store like this, all you need is that affiliate ID. You put that ID in one time, and from there on out, every single product that is in your store is coded to your affiliate ID so that you make the commission off of every single item that someone buys when they go to the Amazon website after clicking on your affiliate ID. So, hopefully that gives you a good understanding of the Amazon affiliate program. I hope this video has been useful to you. I hope that you've learned all about the Amazon affiliate program. Especially if you're a beginner, go out there and get started. This is the best way that you'll start to see results very quickly. There's a lot of different niches, a lot of different products that you can promote with very little competition. So I really hope that this helps you and benefits you and at least knowing where to go next. All right, guys, so that's it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Leave me some comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.